you are going to do next one? You will identify whether it is available in the given image or not. How you are going to check that one? In the given image, whether it is the same shape, what are the laptop shape is there, whether it is available or not, how you are going to check? Either you are going to see, for example, if I give this image, in this image, whether laptop is available means you are going to see like this in the order, or you are going to see like this. Okay, in this order you will see, or in this order you will see something. You will follow some order. Either this order or this order, something. In your mind, what are the order is there? According to that, you'll follow. But you are going to observe each and every item. Here, how many items are there? Every item you are going to observe. And from that observation, whether the shape of the laptop is available or not, you are going to tell me. Right? Same thing will be done here. So whether it is available in the given image or not means that given shape is available. We are going to observe like this, one by one by one by one, either in the horizontal way or in the vertical way. Any one, not both. Okay. So same thing will be written in the code of the CD. So just we require the, now this is a good image. Okay. Now tell me guys, this is a perfect image. Basically I have to save this one. Let me save this image. I'll store this image within the computer vision. Okay. Done. It is multiple items image. Okay. Done. Now in this image, what are the image I have stored? Now in this image, okay, if I ask to identify any particular item, okay, if I say that to identify this item or that item, something, I have told you some item to identify. Okay, now how you are going to identify those items? Okay, for example, like let's take an example in this way. I want the mouse, computer mouse. Whether it is available or not. First, you should know what is mouse, how it looks like. If you don't know even that, then you are going to say that, sir, I don't know what is meant by mouse, how to identify, you are going to say this one. For example, if you know about the mouse, you are now going to check in the given image where it is exactly located. Now tell me guys, whether mouse is available in this given image or not. And while checking that mouse in this particular image, what process your brain is doing, tell me that. Basically, that is more important. Point is clear? Everyone, understood or not? Yes or no? So simply identifying the given shape in the given image is called as object detection. Yes or no? Guys, waiting for your reply. Online students. Yeah. So now here, as one of the student is asking the question, what is the question is, the text can be detected if the image is redact. So here, what are the image? Okay, what are the shape you are providing? I will identify only that shape. You know what is meant by mouse, But according to the computer doesn't know what is text, doesn't understand what is mouse, or doesn't understand what is lion or something. Just it knows only one thing called as shape. Whether what are the shape you are going to give, that shape is available or not. Not exact shape, similar kind of shape. Similar kind, not exactly. Point is clear, everyone? Now here also same thing happens. For example, if I ask in this particular one, okay, whether the fruit supporter is available or not. The fruit supporter is available or not. So same logic. So here it doesn't understand that everything. Okay. So but we need not to tell computer mouse, right? No, we should not tell the computer mouse. We have to give the shape of the computer mouse. So what are the shape you are trying to identify? The shape you have to provide as the input. Then it will identify where it is exactly located with the similarity. Okay. Now let me ask you some simple question. Okay. Yeah. Can everyone can identify this relate in this given image? Everyone please identify this horseshoe, whether it is available or not. Tell me guys. Horseshoe. Yeah. In this class, how many of you know what is meant by horseshoe? How many of you know that horseshoe? How many of you don't know? Please rise. How many of you don't know? Don't know. What is meant by horseshoe? How many of you don't know? Right? Yes, at least. Amen. Thanks. Thanks guys. At least I have got few students like Ritish don't know, Hina don't know, Sarvanan. Okay. So some students don't know. Now the Dharmendra also don't know. So some students raise their hand and some students click on the chat box and they are saying that I don't know. Now tell me guys, the students who don't know about the horseshoe but still they have to identify. How these students are going to do that? The students who doesn't know about the horseshoe but still they have to identify. How? Means first I have to train them the what is horseshoe, how the horseshoe will look. Then once they understand that, then automatically they are going to. So now I am going to type here in terms of horseshoe images. Okay. So now this is called as horseshoe images. Now the shape, how the shape would be, now it will be clear. So the shape of the horseshoe will be something like this and which will be kept on the bottom of the horse like this, in this way. Okay. Right. Now the students who doesn't know about the horseshoe, I have shown them, okay, horseshoe will look like, and for the horse it will be kept in the bottom of the leg in this position. Okay. Now I have explained for them. Now only the students who doesn't know earlier and who has typed that I don't know now those students please identify from this image whether it is available or not. Only those students who told earlier I don't know, only those students. Yeah, Ritish is saying that yes, available. Yes, found. Sarvanan says found. Right? Now everyone has found this horseshoe is located here. Right? Miss, what you have done basically, you don't know what is the meaning of that. Okay, horseshoe you are listening for the first time. You don't know what is the meaning. Why it is used also we don't know. And purpose also we don't know. Just now what I have shown you in the Google, only the image, how it look like. Did I told what is the advantage? Did I told why these are used for the horses? Did I told what is the advantages or disadvantages, or how many times it has to be replaced in a year, or how frequently it has to be done? Did I told that anything? Or what type of metal will be used? How it will be fixed to the horse? Did I explain anything? I have not explained anything, but simply I have shown you the image of the horseshoe, how it look like. Just here, and second question I asked is whether it is available here or not. Point is very simple. Is the point is clear? Object detection works in that way. Right? Everyone? Understood or not? Yes or no? Here it doesn't require what is the meaning of that and what is the advantage of that, what is the application of that, nothing. Whether it is available or not. That's it. Now, similarly, in the traffic, sir, what is the real application means? For example, in the traffic, okay, what are the images the traffic police is going to collect, or the cameras which are in the traffic, they are going to take the snaps, photos. In that, helmet is available or not? The person is having the helmet or not? Can we identify or not? Yes or no? How the shape of the helmet will be there? We know, right? So whether it is available or not. Simple. If it is available, okay. If it is not available, immediately to the given bike number, what are the bike number or car number, or what are the bike number is there? For the given bike number, automatically they are going to send the challan. Sir, but the bike number will be in the alphabets, no sir. Alphabets and numeric. It is not like a shape. Means that is a different part. Extracting the alphabets from the given image also is one of the one. That is one of them. One of the project. Okay. Identifying the object is one of the type of project. Okay. Is the point is clear? That is one type of project. This is one type of project. Now just we are going to write one program. What is the program is? If the given object is available, if object is available, okay, done. If elif, for example, if the helmet is available, they will in the backend they will write the program like this. If helmet is available, okay. Okay. If it is available means no penalty or nothing. No need to do anything. Simply we call it as pass. Pass this one. Okay. Just ignore. And if elif, that is else. Else means what? What are the helmet is there? The helmet is not available. If the helmet is not available, then extract the bike number from the photo. Extract the bike number. I'm writing just as a sentence. There you are going to write the program to extract the bike number as a program. And what are the extracted bike number was there? That for that bike number, automatically will identify the phone number, and we are going to apply the challan. And once the challan was added on that particular bike number, SMS will be sent. This is entire program. For this one program will be there, for this one program is there, for this one program is there. Total will be written within the else part in the program. Points are clear, guys, everyone? Yes or no? Object detection concept is clear now? It is not classifying the image, it is identifying. Right? Now, okay. Next, here, what are the object detection is there now? So now let us get into the detailness, and we'll see the programs and Python code, all the things. Sir, for example, I want to identify whether in the group of images, whether my image is available or not. Means my photo is available, or here something. So what are the shape you are looking for? What are the shape you are looking for? First, you have to give us the input. And that input will be identified on the given image. For example, 10 people are there. in that 10 people, one of the person you have to identify. One person you have to identify. So for that person, what are the person futures are there? First you give that person futures to the computer, then it will understand, and that later it will identify in the given image of the 10 people. Right? Now let us get into the detail one by one. This is a just overview which I have given. Now let us see detailed notes of one by one, step by step. So here, computer vision main purpose is to identify the objects. So as we know how the computer reads an image, how it will read the image means RGB. So red, green and blue. It's a combination of three of them. In one image, when you are identifying here one color means it's a combination of red color in that same position, green color in that position and blue color in that position. It's a three two-dimensional arrays. First two-dimensional array, second two-dimensional array and third two-dimensional array. So three two-dimensional arrays combination is nothing but this image, right? So here, for example, if you are having here some color, in this corner one color is there. That color is a combination of in the red 2D, in that corner what are the color is there, in the green in the corner what are the color is there, in the blue what are the corner color is there. A combination of these three colors is the in the main image this point color. Okay, it's a combination of three two-dimensional arrays. So when multiple two-dimensional arrays are combined, we call it as 3D. Okay, already we have discussed in the CNN also. Now what is OpenCV means? OpenCV is a Python library which is used to solve the computer vision problems. The moment we give the image to the computer, it converts as a array. It converts as a array. So first I am going to start with this. So let us do the simultaneously. Let us do simultaneously both of them, that is theory and practical. Okay, now first I am going to import the CV2. So first you have to install the OpenCV which is related to Python. First install the library. After that I am going to import the CV2 and I am going to import the NumPy as NP. Now whenever I have imported NumPy as NP and CV2, now whenever I give one image, it will automatically convert to array. It will automatically convert. So here just I am trying to load one of the image, which are the images available in my laptop. Just I am trying to load that image. So how to load or read the image means, here we are going to use the function name is called as imread. Within the CV2 imread. So here, okay, we are going to right click on this, and if you see the properties, okay, and here what is the size of this image? 1500 into 1358 pixels. Okay, and 1500 into 1358 pixels. Second, if you open this image is nothing but Narendra Modi's image, which is the Prime Minister of India. Okay, who is the Prime Minister of India? Narendra Modi. And this is a color image. What are the pixel size? 1500 into 1358. That is the pixel size. Now, so here just I am going to load this image. For that, either I can write the entire path. You can write either entire path, or simply you can write the modi.jpg. So here when you have to write the path means if the image is not available in your working directory, then you have to write the complete path. If it is already available in your working directory, then no need to write the complete path. Simply, you can simply write here modit.jpg, comma 1. Comma 1 indicates, this 1 indicates color image. If you write here 0, it indicates the black and white image. So here I am writing the comma 1. It is a color image. So now image was loaded. Now if I see it was stored in the img. I have stored in the variable name img and I am printing the img. When I have stored this in the img modit.jpg. Now here what are the this is my present Jupyter notebook which I am right now working, and this is my file. What are the modit.jpg file is there? This is the file. Now here okay. Now when I'm asking to print the img which was stored in the inside the img, when I'm asking to print, can you see here it is giving the output as a numbers, which is the array. Can you see here array 3 brackets, which is a 3D array. So this is a 2D, again this is a 2D, again this is a 2D. Like this multiple 2Ds are combined, so multiple 2Ds are called as 3D. And here if you ask the shape, what is the dimension means, it is saying that it is a 3 dimension, and what is the shape means 1358 comma 1500 comma 3. What is 1358? Width. 1500 is height, comma 3. What is 3 means? It's a combination of 3 2D arrays. For example, 4 2D arrays means comma 4. 5 means comma 5. 6 means 6. Whatever you are having. Now tell me guys, everyone knows Rubik's Cube, right? Rubik's Cube. Now tell me what is the shape of the Rubik's Cube? What is the shape of Rubik's Cube of 3 by 3 Rubik's? A shape of a 3 by 3. How the shape is 3 by 3. 3 by 3 Rubik's Cube will look. What is the shape? Everyone, please confirm. I mean, I'm asking 3 by shape in terms of this one. Like in the NumPy array. Within the NumPy array, I'm asking the shape. As one of the student is saying that 3 comma 3 comma 3. Okay, one student is saying that 3 comma 3 comma 3. Okay, one more also saying that 3 comma 3 comma 3. Okay, still anyone? Still anyone? So the shape of the Rubik's Cube, what are 3 by 3 Rubik's Cube we are having now? Okay, it is 3 comma 3, up to here correct only. Comma 6, not comma 3. Comma 6. Why comma 6, sir? How many 3 by 3s are there for you? How many 3 by 3s are there? This is one color. Like that, how many colors will be there total? Total how many colors? 6 colors will be there. With 6 faces. 3 by 3 with 6 faces. 6. Right? So, what are the front, back, left, right, top and bottom? Total 6 will be there. Okay, 6 faces will be there, which is a cube. Cube means 6 faces. Each face consists of 3 by 3. So 3 comma 3 comma 6. So how many 3 by 3s are there? Means 6 are there. So that is the shape. Point is clear guys? Everyone understood? Yes or no? Okay, in one face, what is the shape? Like that, how many faces are there? Right? So here, the image, what are this image is there? 1358 comma 1500 of R with a 2 by 2 image of only R. In this only R is there. So here what are the values there? The value is related to red color. So similarly, we are having the same 1358 comma 1500, one more 2D, which is related to green. And we are having one more 2D, which is related to blue. So RGB. So how many are there total? 1358 comma, here 1358 comma 1500, 1358 comma 1500, 1358 comma 1500. So total how many are there? 1358 comma 1500, like that. Total how many 2D arrays are there? 3 are there. So that is the reason it is showing the comma 3. So for example, instead of RGB, if you are having the Z also, one more 1358 comma 1500 you are having, let's assume. Then total, then what is the shape you are going to get? 1358 comma 1500 comma 4. Point is clear? Everyone? Yes or no? So the moment you give the image, the CV will convert this one as a numbers, as a array. It will not store as a image. It will store as a numbers. Sir, but I want to see the image I have loaded correctly or not, miss. Then here this one more we are having called as IM show. IM is image. Show the image. So I am going to ask the show the image, IM show, and inside that we have to provide two arguments. What is the first argument, miss? Name of the window. For example, once I click on this, I'll show you. So here, I have got in a separate window. If you observe, I have got in a separate window. So where my Jupyter notebook is separate and this window is separate. I have received this one in a separate window. Now what are the window I have opened? Okay, the moment I click on this, a separate new window was opened now. For this window, the name is there. Can you see her name? What is the window name? SRK. Okay, SRK. Okay, so now here what are the SRK we are having? That is the name which I have given here. For example, instead of giving SRK, I have given the PM. So automatically you are going to get here the window name. So here whatever you are writing, that is the window name. And here you are going to ask the which variable you want to show, the variable name. So where you have stored the mode image in the IMG. So just you are asking to show the IMG. And mode image you can see like this. Is the point is clear? Next, coming to the second one. Now here what are the image I am trying to load? Instead of 1, I am going to give the 0. 0 means black and white. Black and white image. Black and white, which is also called as grayscale. Both are same. Okay, black and white images or grayscale images. What is meant by grayscale? Grayscale means just colors of the black. Gray means the color intensity. The darker the color of the black, it will be different. So just you are reducing the color intensity of the black. Okay, is the point is clear? Seems like there is no meeting for the numbers. No, here images, it is going to read the image, and what are the image it is trying to read, it will be converted as numbers. Now here when I keep the comma 0, automatically it was converted to black and white. Now can you see here? Now the shape, what is the shape of this? It is a 2D or 3D? Everyone, can you confirm? 2D or 3D? It is a 2D array. So black and white images are 2D arrays. And if you ask the dimension, see 2. And if you ask the shape, just 1358 comma 1500. 1358 comma 1500 means it is a 2D. As per the NumPy, within the tuple, if you are having 2 values, it is 2D. If you are having 3 values, 3D. If you are having 4 values, 4D, like that, as we have discussed earlier. will these numbers changes from image to image? Obviously, right? Obviously. In this, for example, in this image, in the corner, whatever is there, white color is there. So now color intensity of black is going to be 0. If you load this image, automatically this pixel intensity you get here 0. Understood, guys? So as the given image, what are the image you have stored based on that image? Right? Now here, this just it is a colors. Based on the color. As I've told you now, it is completely based on the color. It is not in between multiple values are there. Can you see the dots? It's a multiple values. Oh, just the corners only 255, 255 means extreme values. In between, right? Yes. The color intensity. So here, see, if I open this black and white image, IM show. Can you see the IM show? Now what is the color here? What is the color intensity here, 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 here? All these corners. This entire one is white color only, na? Here also it is white color only, na? Here also in the 4 edges, 4 white colors only is there, right? So that is the reason you are getting that color as 255. For example, if you try to load some different image which is having other than white color, now you'll get a different one. So let's give a try. So for example, here I am having this image. Okay, in this image I am having, these are the various values. In the corner itself I am not having the pure white color, some different color is there. Okay, now let us try to load this one. So to load this one, okay, just I am going to give here instead of Modi. Okay, now just I am going to click on this, and now automatically you can see the values at different values, right? Now if I give the color as 1, now you can see even the colors are changing. Points are clear? Everyone understood? Yes or no? Based on the color intensity, what are the color intensities available? Okay, now so whenever you want to do same thing, Dilip, if you know for one image how to do, we can't apply the for loop in the same logic. For example, if I show how to identify the helmet on a single image, can't you do the same thing for the multiple images just by applying the for loop? Simple. Writing the same code for multiple images is just for loop only now. Right? So here what are the Modi images there? Okay, and whatever I have loaded. Now this IM show means image show, and this is the what are the window name is there, and this is the variable name. Now here cv2.wait key. What is meant by wait key means, now here it was the what are the image is there, the image has opened in the new window and the window name is called as PM. Here I have written the PM, so it is showing the window name as PM. Okay, how much time this window will open? How much time it will open like this? How much time? Till I click on the close. Till I click on the close. For example, I don't click on the close. It is going to wait. So here cv2.wait key. Wait key means wait till either the user has provided some value. Until that you have to wait. Okay, if for example just if you are writing like only wait key like this means it has to wait till the user closes. Okay, and destroy all the windows. All the windows means the moment if I click on the close, automatically it has to close the windows related to what are the windows are open in this particular cell. For example, you have loaded the multiple images. Okay, image 1, image 2, image 3, like that you have loaded the multiple images. All the images you are asking one after one to show. CV2 dot, okay, what are the CV2 dot IM show of first image, CV2 dot IM show of second image, CV2 dot IM show of the third image, like that you are showing the multiple images. Now once I click on the close, all the images will be closed at a time. That is the meaning of destroy all the windows related to that. Right? Now within the break key, here I am going to write the 10,000. So once I click on this, after 10,000 milliseconds, it will only close automatically. I will not click on the close. See, my mouse is here. I am keeping the mouse here. Still it was closed. How it was closed? I have not clicked on the close button now. Still it has closed. Means this is the number. It will wait that many milliseconds. And automatically it will only close. If you don't write any number, it will wait till you click on the close. Right? So for example, here I am writing the only 1000. Okay, after 1000 milliseconds are completed, it will close. So what are the number you are writing? It is nothing but milliseconds. Is that clear, guys? Everyone? Next step. Now, if you want to save the image, you are going to use the cv2.imwrite. Imwrite is used to save the images. What are the images are there? It is used to save the images. So for example, I am trying to load here some image. Okay, that is Narendra Modi's black and white image. So what are the black and white images there? First I'll show you this. Okay, this is the black and white image. Now I want to show that black and white image I want to save. So I'm going to write the imwrite, and here I'm going to write the pm_bw. Some name as per your choice. I'm writing pm_black and white. BW means black and white .jpg. Just I'm showing in the my working directory. Now automatically in your working directory, it is going to create the pm_bw today at 6:55. It has created. Okay, this is the black and white image. So the color images can be converted easily to black and white. All the color images, how many color images are there? Color images can be converted to black and white images very easily. Very easily. Okay, color images can be converted to black and white images very easily. Okay, now how it can be converted means, because all colors, how many colors are there? Infinite colors. Take in your mind what are the color is there. Every color finally converted to what are the converted. Okay, when whatever we are going to do, converted to single color. Single color, that is nothing but black. So here, for example, green color is there. What are the color intensity of green is there? The same color intensity of black will be converted. Blue is there, same color intensity of black will be converted. Red is there, it will be converted. Orange is there, converted. Yellow is there, converted. What are the color is there? The color will have some intensity now. The same intensity of black we are going to consider here. Now, what about the all black and white images? Can we convert a black and white images to color images? Miss? No, that is not possible easily. Okay, black and white images. When you are having the black and white images converted to color images, if you want to convert to color images, it is not easy. Not easy. Why it is not easy? Because one color has to be converted to multiple colors, infinite colors. Infinite colors can be converted to one single color. What are the color you say? It will be converted to, for example, you are using one color name. I will say simply black. If I say black, in your mind some color will be there. So here, what are the colors are there? Okay, black. Black converted to infinite colors. Infinite colors options are available. So when you are having the infinite colors options, which one has to be selected? How it knows? For example, I'm having in my home one grandfather's photo. My grandfather photo is available. Okay, which they have taken during the old days, like black and white image. At the time color is not available, so simply they have taken the black and white image. Some black and white image of my grandfather is available. Now, the blue was father. My grandfather, instead of wearing the blue color shirt, he has wear some kind of red color shirt. Even it will be converted to black. If he has wear the green color shirt, even it will be converted. Yellow shirt, even it will be converted to black only. But now when I'm trying to convert to color, now what are the color I apply, according to that, it is going to give the output. If I apply the blue color on the shirt, automatically my grandfather's image will have the blue color shirt. Actual reality we don't know. The original one I don't know. Is the point is clear? Everyone understood or not? Yes or no? So color, now in the mobile phone, if you open your mobile phone, in that if you click on the camera, there you will have the option called as monochrome. Monochrome is single color. So instantly you can create the black and white images. What are the real world color images are there? Easily you can convert to black and white. Because every color intensity has to be converted to black only. Finally. Right? Whereas this one, when it comes to the black and white image to color image, infinite colors are possible. Clear? Everyone? Understood or not? Till now? Yes or no? Next one is called as resize the image. Now what is resize image? Resize the image means what are the pixels we are having. For example, see here. I am just opening the Narendra Modi's image. So can anyone tell me what is the pixel size of this image? Already I have shown you. What is the size? guys? Everyone, please respond, chat. Yeah, 1358 comma, not like, okay. So 1358 comma 1500, right? Now what are the 1358 comma 1500 images there? Just I'm going to right click on this. I'm going to click on the paint. And here I'm going to click on the resize. Now, what are the 1500 pixels I am having now? Just instead of this, I'm going to click on the 300 by 300 and click on the OK. Automatically, the size will be adjusted. This we call it as a resize. Within the paint, inside the paint, we are having the option like this. Just we are going to click on the resize the image. Same way, here also, we are going to resize the image. The original image is of 1358 comma 1500 pixels. Just we are going to resize this one to 300 by 300. So here I am going to convert this one to 300 by 300. And what are the I have converted? I am asking to show the resized image. What are the resized images there? Just I am asking to show that. Now once you click, you can see the resized image of mode is 300 by 300 pixel. So this IMG stores the color image of, this is a color image, since I have written here 1, it is a color image of 1358 comma 1500. Whereas in the resize image, it is of 300 comma 300. Is the point is clear? Everyone understood? Just okay, you are decreasing. Cropping means you are deleting. Chakra Sai, in the crop you will delete. Here you are just resizing. Okay, so here you are having the resize. Next, okay, this is the one. Next one is okay. Second, I am going to convert the color black and white to grayscale. You can so sir, while loading itself, you can write here comma 0. That is one way miss. Second one is CVT color. CVT color means convert color. So you are going to convert the color. So the what are the resized images there? The resize means this one, the 300 by 300. Just you are going to convert as color to black and white. So just you can convert like this. And here after converting, now I am just asking to show the grayscale image. That is gray image. Is the point is clear, everyone? Right? So that is grayscale image, guys. So CV2.CVT color means it is going to convert the color. Which one will be converted? If you write here original image will be converted. If you give the resize image, resize will be converted. Just converting a black and white image to this. Automatically the quality decreases now. Whenever the number of pixels decreases, the quality decreases, obviously. Can we write the letters or numbers in the image? Absolutely. Absolutely, you can write the letters, numbers, everything in the image. Even that will be extracted in the same way. Right? Done. So these are the various operations like a CVT color, IM show, IM write. Okay, all this. Now actual point starts. That is how to identify the object detection. The next point starts here. So real object detection can be done. Can we manipulate the image? Manipulate means you can resize the image. That's it. You can resize the image, you can change the color of the image. Only these two manipulations you can do. Okay, done. Okay guys, now let's continue from here in the tomorrow's class, as today very less number of students are available both in offline and in online. Okay, so already we have discussed to some extent now. So remaining part will continue in the tomorrow's class, right? If I start this one also object reduction means whoever the students are missing today, it would be a difficult, as till yesterday it is holidays now. Maybe due to that reason, very less number of students. In offline, not even one student is there today. Right? And from here we'll continue in the tomorrow's class. We'll have our classes very regularly with no time delay also. So tomorrow's classes will start exactly at 6 p.m. onwards. From tomorrow everything will be perfect, guys. No more delays, no more holidays or something, or no more leaves from my end also. Done. Yes, Sarvanan, tomorrow we'll complete this, whatever the computer vision is there now, and day after tomorrow onwards, text data will start. Tomorrow we'll complete the images along with the videos also. Day after tomorrow onwards, text will start. As per your requirement, Gen and Agentic automatical flow will continue. Day after tomorrow onwards. It will deduct. Yeah, Prasad will cover. We'll cover in depth only. Now, sir, Naval, one question. If we have multiple images of same item, okay, it is going to identify all of them, or you are going to write the code in such a way, if you want to identify only one of them, first one. Okay, tomorrow you can see this. Tomorrow you can ask the same question to me, Naval. Right? I will show you with one of the example having only single item in the image. I will show you with the multiple items in the single image also. Both of them I will show you. Done. Yeah, can we add additional features to these images other than resize? What additional features you want, Leela? Tell me what you want. Example as one of them. This is object reduction now. What is meant by object reduction? CV is purely for object reduction. You are asking to create, generate, morphing the images and adding the new things for the original image. They are called as generating.